Feeling tired throughout the day, feeling stressed because you're not getting sufficient sleep, feeling exhausted after you wake up, not having that freshness within you, and halfway into the day, feeling like okay, there's all the muscles and all the nerves are feeling exhausted. These are the common signs of fatigue. These are the common signs of you reaching your threshold. Every now and then, time and again, every single day, you have to take some time off in order for you to relax, completely cut yourself off from all the external world disturbances. Disconnect yourself from who you are, what you do, where you belong, and who your family is. This is very, very essential if you wish to lead a peaceful life for yourself. What can be done? I'm going to guide you through a very deep relaxation technique. You can call this as a kind of a short meditation also. So I'm going to guide you through a very short meditation practice today. For this, you can be seated in the seated position. If you're not comfortable in the seated position, you can just lie down. Just make sure you have a blanket or a pillow to the back of the head. Place a piece of cloth on the eyelids so that the flickering of the eyelids stops. Once the flickering of the eyelids stop, naturally you feel like okay, you're entering into the deeper layers of subconscious mind. This is one of the best techniques that I use even to this day. If I'm practicing in the seated position, I just put a crepe bandage also. But for today, I'm going to just go along with whatever I have. So let's get started with the practice. If you can't sit comfortably, as I said, just lie down on the back. If you can sit comfortably, but if you can't sit for longer duration, you can go and take a wall support. Just only the back. Never touch the head. Just give the support of the back to the wall. Just make sure the head is off the wall, and then you're good to go. Now, let's get started with the practice. So you sit comfortably in a cross-leg position or whichever. Just place the palms on the knees. Gently close your eyes. Make yourself comfortable. Shrug your shoulders. Let go of all the stiffness in the shoulders. Let there be a gentle smile on the face. Relax all the facial muscles. Slow down the breath. Pull the abdominal muscles in and lift the sternum up. Relax all the facial muscles. Let the eyelids be gently closed. Let the lips be gently closed. Do not clench your teeth. With a gentle smile on your face, mentally get ready for the practice. For the next few minutes, your connection to the outside world is only through my voice. For the next few minutes, forget about who you are, forget about your name, forget about your work. Forget about everything else. Just listen to me. Surrender and let go. Surrender to yourself. Accept yourself. Thank yourself. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Once again, take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Once again, slowly take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Slow down the breath. Slow down. Slow down the breath. Relax. Try to maintain a little bit of awareness towards the breathing process. Just observe the breaths. Relax yourself. Calm down the mind. And the easiest way to do this is by slowing down the breath. If you're finding it difficult to let go of all the different thoughts that are disturbing you, just bring your awareness towards the flow of the breath. Just observe the breath as it flows in and out of the nostril. Just observe it. And with each outgoing breath, as you exhale, let go of the thoughts. Use the outgoing breath as a means to free yourself, to unchain yourself from this burden of thoughts. Slow, soft inhalation and exhalation. Try not to get lost in the thought process. Use my voice as a medium for you to stay alert. Just listen to me. Completely surrender to my voice. Let go of all the stiffness in the fingers and the toes. Totally surrender yourself. And try to be seated straight. If you're in the seated position, if you're in the lying down position, make sure the entire body parts, all the different body parts, are completely relaxed. And once again, bring your awareness towards the breath. Slow, soft inhalation and exhalation. Observe the breath. Take a deep breath in. Try to fill up all the lobes of the lungs. Keep the chest lifted up. And slowly breathe out. Once again, inhale and take a deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. One last round. Take a deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Relax. Make sure all the muscles in the shoulders are completely relaxed. Slow down the breath. It's very essential that you relax yourself at the physical level very essential that you slow down the breath if you want to reach a certain level of calmness and quietness in the mind. Relax your body. You have to mentally give these instructions so that all the body parts, whether you are in a seated position or whether you are in a lying down position, make sure all the body parts are completely relaxed. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Become aware of the relaxed state of the body. Become aware of the relaxed state of the muscles and the nerves. Become aware of the calm and quiet state of the breath. Slow, soft inhalation and exhalation. Relax and relax. Mentally take a resolve that you're going to calm yourself down at the physical level, the mental level. Tell yourself that you're going to free yourself from all kinds of mental disturbances. The power of autosuggestion will work wonders for you. Relax. Tell to yourself that you're not going to be disturbed by any kind of abuses, any kind of ill words spoken against you. Take a resolve that you're going to be completely oblivious to your surroundings that disturb you and push you away from who you are, who you truly are on the inside. Take a resolve that you're never going to be disturbed by people, by the work, by any kind of external factors. Tell to yourself that you're going to remain calm and quiet, and you're going to stay true to who you are throughout the day. Become aware of this art of silencing the mind by calming down the breath and by relaxing all the body parts. Observe. Observe the silence or observe the disturbance within, but just become aware of it. Do not pay any attention to it. With each exhalation, breathe out and relax. Now slowly start coming back. Become aware of the position of the hands and the legs. Become aware of all the different body parts that are in contact with the floor. Become aware of your physical body. Become aware of the four walls of the room. Become aware of where you are. If you're in the lying down position, gently move the toes and the fingers and slowly sit up. If you're in the seated position, just be there itself. Just observe the calmness and the quietness within you. Observe the silence. Observe the silence and the touch of the skin. Become aware of the silence around you. Become aware of the silence that you have created around you. Observe the calm and quiet state of the mind. Observe the calm and quiet state of the breath. Observe the silence within. Become aware of the silence within and become one with the silence within. If you're in a seated position, just gently rub your palms one against each other. Feel the warmth on the eyelids, the hands, and the legs. Once again, gently rub your palms one against each other. Feel the warmth on the eyelids. With a few blinks, slowly open your eyes. Gently drop the hands down. Gentle smile. Slowly look up. So, this is how you start to silence the mind. This is how you start by calming down the breath. This will be the first preparatory practice for you to bring down those turbulent thoughts that push and pull you in all the different directions. So practice this if you have trouble going to sleep after you go to bed. Practice this when you have absolutely no energy and all you need is just a few minutes of silence. You can do this either in the sitting position or in the lying down position. Anything that makes you feel comfortable. So I hope you're feeling a new wave of silence and calmness within you. Do not keep this for yourself. Share this with the ones who are in need of the same. A lot of us go through similar kind of stress throughout the day. And if you experienced this, feeling calm and quiet on the inside, there are at least 2-3 people, your friends and family, who badly need this. So share this with them. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.